Shama, where I would not agree with you is that I really nekadama the own number Shama or standard and balama don't yamana and bampinama. Because
what else
don't move further.
What else can you do? Apart from
put him to test.
No,
put him to test.
I'm to organize
put him to test.
I'm to organize event.
Event.
Tambo question. What he did yesterday? Anto for now na kutonale.
Money.
Yene.
La ilaha illallah. Not for now, no kutonale.
What okay for now? Next question.
Next question.
Next question. What was special there? Mention one thing. Because I couldn't special.
Bench special.
Yes.
Sitting arrangement 1. Canopy 2.
Sitting arrangement like how?
Yes.
Yes. Is that what you can? Is that what you can do, man? Is that what you can do?
I'm still giving.
Is that what you can do?
Oh.
Let's start by the sitting arrangement. One,
yes, I said I can't do that.
That's sitting arrangement.
Yes, that's
sitting arrangement.
Yes, I can do
that. Is 1, 2.
2, the canopy. And I said the canopy she wants session. That is what I can't do. It has to take.
Come on, Sally. Come on, electorally.
So Amile. And look at lighting.
I understand you now.
Look at lighting.
I understand you now. Then can the pay Yalava. Tibela you work at party. You don't even know anything about this. So I understand you.
So kutuma.
Ayala canopy ma. Nirbi sambarane. Kola Maccasio da canopy shangaba. Ojoma. To jirbi to dun kasha ba yusu bin badamre sambanane. Sambane. Tanpane. Kabazang le zanzale. Maccasio da yuseli. Ama nirbi yusul sambanane.
Yes.
So kaswa Caribbean. It has always been so. But useli ya.
Which one? Sambanane dene.
Kola canopy. Yes.
Did you answer my
can I put this like a yarmo? White ones like the Mevoela. Can you white one? This is
design ones.
Susuma. The Mesusuma.
Canopy Shadens a Beniman Maza. Cut some banana cabs.
Canopy Sabila Susune. Canopy Sabella Susune.
Make a lap show him.
No, woman.
Show him. Set up.
No, man, I talk with describe it. You cannot be Sabella Susune. Kakubusa put man Shelma. That is one. Yes, Susundenma.
Susundenma, Canopy Sabala.
Where's Sabala?
Stage.
No.
Capsam Mountain.
Oh no.
Oh
no.
Oh
no.
Yama.
Yelmaka explain it. What is stage means?
Mama.
Yelma.
Kula stage you been use it on the occasions. Then Capsam Mountain. Kai erect what's it called? Canopy Sabala.
Mukana. Kai erect. I mean, that's appel me.
Dene.
Labanma.
This appel labo.
This appel
yes. Because of lighting. They needed something to cover before canals and lighting.
You are two different people.
No.
So the standard I have, you don't have it. So bear in mind.
Your standard is work.
No, it's not work. We are it's not work. That particular thing wasn't a stage. Do you know what a stage means? What they erected, what they erected for Maccasio to sit on was a stage.
Oh,
Pansoro, let me define you.
See,
please.
Can't
define the stage. Pansoro. Can't define the stage. Do you want? But me. So can you tell me that stage Wakatishema? What they did was that they erected a pole. Woman, but the fact that Kabel Ben Shao, Karmeka the man stage doesn't mean that Ben Zalma stage in Bala because the Benne.
You ask me, so
that's your difficulty.
What did they erect?
What is canopy? What is your definition of a canopy?
No, so that's what I'm
They erected a metal. They erected metal.
So I am describing that metal to you. That stage is using on the shoulder.
That's right.
So didn't have erected
stage
lighting purpose.
Stage Mara.
Stage Mara because that is what I can mention for you and other persons to understand.
The professional aspect of it. It wasn't a stage. You can call it a canopy because it was erected and covered.
What was erected?
Go on dictionary and define a canopy. Go. You can define it for me. Read out to me.
No.
Read out to me.
No, I will disagree with you.
Oh.
I'm telling you that.
Oh my.
It was based in the year it was based on question. So
Susuma didn't be this a bit
Desire.
Anna Gignale.
Desire.
Anna Gignale.
Anna Mignale.
Allahu Akbar.
Woman, I mean, jealous.
Oh my.
Oh
my, I don't understand where you are coming from.
Woman, I mean, jealous.
Nukuta example, para na mitamre, maglulela.
That designer.
Young Maccasio didn't want. Upon now, did it to competition now. Kumba. What are you talking about? Oh my God. What
Adwa,
why do you defend everything? I want to defend poor quality.
No, it's not poor.
Why you defend poor quality?
It's not poor because the guy did well.
Yeah,